In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency format in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with financial data, budgeting, or simply organizing information, knowing how to adjust currency formats can be incredibly valuable. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you need to open a Google Sheets document. If you have an existing sheet you want to work on, go ahead and open it. If not, you can easily create a new one by going to the Google Sheets homepage and clicking on the option to create a new blank spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready, you're all set to proceed to the next step. With your sheet open, identify the cell or range of cells where you would like to change the currency format. Click on a single cell if you want to format just one, or click and drag across multiple cells if you're targeting a larger area. Highlighting ensures that the changes you make will only affect the cells you've selected, keeping your data intact elsewhere. Next, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on Format. This will display a drop-down menu featuring a variety of formatting options for your data. The Format menu is your gateway to customizing the appearance and style of your spreadsheet data. From the Format menu, you will want to select Number. After hovering over this option, you'll see a sub-menu. In this sub-menu, click on Custom Currency. Choosing Custom Currency gives you the flexibility to select from a myriad of currency options that best fit your needs. Once you've clicked on Custom Currency, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is where you can choose your preferred currency. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and click on the Euro option from the list. This will change the selected cells to display amounts in the Euro currency format, complete with the appropriate symbol and decimal placements. After choosing the desired currency, make sure to click on Apply. This final step will implement your changes, updating the spreadsheet so that the selected cells now reflect the new currency formatting. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully changed the currency format in your Google Sheet. This capability is particularly useful when managing international data or collaborating with a global team. Don't forget that you can always revert or change the formatting again by revisiting the Format menu. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.